Congratulations on making it this far. Now let's discuss some common challenges you might face while sourcing clients and how to overcome them. 1. Finding the right clients. One of the biggest challenges in sourcing clients is finding the right ones. Not every company will be a good fit for your agency. To overcome this, have a clear understanding of your ideal client. What industry are they in? What's their size? What are their needs? This will help you target your efforts effectively. 2. Standing out from the competition. The IT recruitment industry is competitive. Standing out from the crowd can be tough. To differentiate your agency, focus on your unique selling proposition. What makes you different? It could be your expertise, your approach, your services, or even your values. 3. Building trust. Building trust with potential clients can be challenging, especially if you're new to the market. To build trust, focus on providing value. Share valuable content, offer free consultations, or even provide references from previous clients. 4. Maintaining client relationships. Building a client relationship is just the first step. Maintaining it requires consistent effort. To keep your clients satisfied, provide excellent service, understand their changing needs, and always deliver on your promises. 5. Scaling your client base. As your agency grows, so does your client base. Managing multiple clients can be challenging. To handle this, use client relationship management tools, automate tasks where possible, and consider expanding your team. Remember, challenges are part of the journey. They push you to grow, innovate, and improve. With a positive mindset and the right strategies, you can overcome these challenges and succeed in sourcing clients. So are you ready to tackle these challenges head-on? Let's do it.